Welcome guys, this is transformation, and we're doing reflections. This is from 11.1 in your textbook. I'm just going to do one example for you. So when we're describing a reflection, we say, obviously, first of all that it's a reflection, but there is one other piece of data that we have to give, and that is across what mirror line. So just a review of some of the common ones. The mirror line may be the y-axis, so we may reflect across the y-axis. Another way of describing the y-axis is x equals 0. So this is x equals 0, or the y-axis. People get confused, but the y-axis is where we're at 0 along the x-axis. That's why y-axis is x equals 0. Then we can sometimes reflect across the x-axis, so from here flipping across to here, and this is where y is equal to 0. So don't get confused about this. The x-axis, if you're flipping across that, we say y is 0, so that is the y equals 0 line, and the y-axis is the x equals 0 line. That's very important, and students often slip up on that. Sometimes we reflect across a straight line graph. So for year 11s, you'll know your y equals mx plus c, so you might have to draw in that line and then reflect across that. Sometimes it'll just simply be reflect across, for instance, in this case, the example I'm going to do with you, x equals 4. So all we have to do is find out where x is 4. It's 4 here and all the way along here, so I'm just going to put a dotted line for my mirror line. And what you must do when you do a reflection is take each point or vertex of the shape, in this case we have a quadrilateral, and you must approach the mirror line perpendicularly. So you must meet at 90 degrees. So we're going to go across here, and you see that we have travelled one space to get from here to the mirror line. So we're going to go one space out the other side. So that's going to be this space here. Let's do the same with B. Now B approaches the mirror line from the opposite direction. It's 3 squares this way, so we're going to go 3 squares out this side. 1, 2, 3. D approaches from the opposite, the same as A, so 1, 2, 3, and then we go out 1, 2, 3 here. C, same side as B, approaches 2 squares, so we're going to go 2 squares out on the other side of the mirror line. And then we can connect these up. I'm just going to do that now. You can use a ruler. Now, we have to name the shape. Well, we've been told that we're reflecting across x equals 4 to w, x, y, z. So A becomes w, so this is our w. B becomes x, so B ended up over here, so this is our x. And C becomes y, so this is our y, and D becomes z, so this is our z. And that's how you can do simple reflections. Have a go at these at home. If you get stuck, take a photograph of what you tried, and I can hopefully send back what you should have done. Okay, take care.